New headphones have a polarizing design such that even manufacturers like Sennheiser spoke fun at the leaked images of Nothing's new very square and very unique headphones, saying that it will literally never release something similar. Nothing Headphones 1 is the brand's latest entry into over-ear devices. The design is unique, to say the least, but it fits rather nicely with the brand's aesthetic between a phone and other audio devices. The headphone shell carries a cassette-like design with a translucent covering, much like transparent panels on the company's phone. The leaked images made their way to Reddit, where the polarizing view came to life. Some hate it, some think it's original, others say they're looking forward to see it. Sennheiser has something to say about it. The brand's official Reddit account posted a comment poking fun at the design, stating that the brand will never venture so far as to create something like that without some serious changes. As funny as the comment it is, it might have some truth. Nothing is able to design and release something like this at a reasonable price thanks to clever marketing and brand loyalty. Even that, a lot of users seem to think the headphones look very bad and they know they have plenty of nothing devices. Sennheiser has a rigid foundation in producing headphones of the higher quality in terms of build quality, but mostly in terms of sound. Among the subreddits, the Sennheiser HD series is often touted as a holy grail of headphones for a superb sound and sound quality. The Nothing headphones can look the part, but sound quality is going to be a major factor. There's a chance that it may end up as an accessory more than a go-to audio choice.